This is Motorola Moto G42, and in today's video we are going to demonstrate how you can activate the Dolby Atmos feature on this smartphone. So first of all, you need to launch the settings. Next, enter the sound category of settings, or as it is precisely called, sound and vibration. In here, you'll be able to find at the pretty much first half of the page the dedicated Dolby Atmos section, which you want to tap on. In here, there is a very modest and small introduction that you can read if you're interested in doing that. Next, go to the settings, allow everything that it needs, and in here simply, choose what preset you would like to use. Here is also the reset settings button that allows you to, as you could already guess, reset the settings. And you can also, for each of the modes except the smart audio, you can enter the equalizer by tapping on this pencil icon that is located in front of each preset. And, change it, customize, and etc. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.